I know you've been working really hard to grow your business and make money this past year. Maybe you're stuck in a rut and you're not quite sure what to do next. Maybe your income has plateaued and maybe you're doing old habits like over-delivering again. You know what, with the right tools and support, you can increase your income this year and you can totally take your business to the next level without burning out. So this next year, let's get you unstuck so you can make real progress on your goals. Hi, I'm Denise Duffield-Thomas, money mindset mentor, author, and founder of the Money Bootcamp. Over the last decade, I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs just like you to transform their money mindset and break through income plateaus. And I'm really excited to invite you to my brand new 2022 workshop, all about how to break through your income plateau and create more abundance this year. We're going to look really closely at your relationship with money and how beliefs and blocks from your past could be keeping you stuck. All you have to do is click below to register and watch out for part 1 coming really soon. It's practical, it's fun, I promise it's going to transform your relationship with money. Now this is for you if you've been feeling stuck or your income has stalled, or if you feel like you can't break through no matter how hard you work. With the right mindset and mentor this year, this is when you can take your income to new heights, break through that income plateau and earn what you deserve without burning out. I can show you how. Okay, click below and reserve your spot now.